Welcome to the ETABS training program, a professional certification for structural design and analysis. This course runs for 2 to 3 months, offering over 100 hours of practical training, with 80% dedicated to hands-on, real-world projects. You will master ETABS for real-world RCC and steel building analysis and design aligned with Indian standards. ETABS is the ultimate integrated software for structural analysis and design. It is purpose-built for multi-story and high-rise complex geometries, offering robust analysis for gravity, wind, seismic, and P-delta loads. The course ensures code compliance with IS 456, IS 875, and IS 1893, and covers an integrated design workflow using tools like ETABS, AutoCAD, Excel, and SAFE. Upon completion, you will master the structural modeling workflow, strictly adhere to IS codes, and accurately perform advanced load analysis. The course covers comprehensive design concepts for various structural elements and teaches detailing, drawing extraction, and professional reporting. You will achieve complete toolchain proficiency and be ready for the industry. The curriculum begins with foundational skills. Module 1 introduces ETABS, covering the interface, project setup, and material properties. Module 2 focuses on structural modeling, including beams, columns, shear walls, and diaphragms. Module 3 details load analysis, covering dead, live, wind, and seismic loads based on relevant IS codes. The second part of the course focuses on advanced analysis, design, and projects. Module 4 covers static and dynamic structural analysis, including the response spectrum method and P-delta analysis. Module 5 focuses on RCC design for beams, columns, slabs, and foundations, ensuring code compliance. Module 6 consists of crucial real-world projects. The program includes extensive hands-on experience with live projects, preparing your portfolio. Projects include the complete modeling and design of a G+2 residential building and advanced seismic analysis of a G+10 high-rise building. You will also work on steel modeling of industrial structures and a real site case study from architectural plan to execution. This ISO-certified training lasts 2 to 3 months, with over 100 practical hours. The course roadmap focuses on fundamentals and modeling in month 1, analysis and design in month 2, and live projects in month 3. Upon completion, you will receive a professional certification, project completion letters, and portfolio-ready deliverables. Future prospects are bright, with high demand for structural design professionals in India. Target job roles include structural design engineer, BIM structural modeler, RCC design engineer, and site engineer. Career support is included, offering placement assistance, interview preparation, and resume building to help you secure top industry roles. Choose us for 100% practical, expert training featuring real-time projects and strict IS code compliance. We also offer dedicated placement support, interview preparation, and resume building assistance. Start your career today. Call the number on screen or visit our website for admission, as seats are limited.